So now we have wrote this formula, that is a necessary and sufficient condition for a curve to be a line of curvature on a surface. The necessary and sufficient condition is dn by ds is directly proportional to dr by ds, or equivalently dn by ds is equal to k dr by ds. It can also be written as dn plus k dr is equal to 0, or n dash plus kr dash is equal to 0. We have derived the principal directions by the relation kn is equal to L du square plus 2m du dv plus n dv square divided by E du square plus 2f du dv plus z dv square. That will be L du plus m dv divided by E du plus f dv. That also will be equal to m du plus n dv divided by f du plus z dv. इसको हमने एक्सप्रेस किया था लैम्डा की टर्म्स में. जस्ट टू रिकॉल, एल लैम्डा प्लस एम बाई ई लैम्डा प्लस एफ is equal to m lambda plus n divided by f lambda plus z, where lambda was du by dv. So इसी को हमने रीअरेंज करके इस फॉर्म में लिखा है, that is L du plus m dv divided by E du plus f dv, and so is this. By these two equalities we have these two equations. du के कोफिशिएंट्स की अगर बात करें तो du इंटू L माइनस के एन ई प्लस m माइनस के एन एफ dv is equal to 0. So is from first and last we have du into m minus kn f plus n minus knz dv is equal to 0. So these are the two equations derived for the lines of curvature. Now substituting the values of first and second order fundamental magnitudes in terms of r1 and r2, E can be written as r1 dot r1, f can be written as r1 dot r2, z can be written as r2 dot r2. So our L will be minus of n1 dot r1, m will be equal to minus of n1 dot r2 or n2 dot r1, and n will be equal to n2 dot r2. Substituting these values in these two equations, we have du into minus of n1 dot r1 minus kn into E is r1 dot r1 plus m as minus of n2 dot r1 minus kn f as r1 dot r2 into dv is equal to 0. So is the second equation du, m is n1 dot r2 minus kn f as r1 dot r2 plus n as n2 dot r2 minus kn z as r2 dot r2 dv is equal to 0. Summing up, that is minus of n1 dot r1 du plus n2 dot r1 dv. The other two terms, minus sign kn r1 dot r1 du. Second term, kn r1 dot r2 dv is equal to 0. माइनस साइन थ्रू आउट हम कैंसिल कर देते हैं, दैट इज n1 du प्लस n2 dv डॉट r1 प्लस kn r1 du प्लस r2 dv डॉट r1 इज इक्वल टू 0 और सिंपली dn प्लस kn dr total differential dn n1 du n2 dv and so is total differential dr r1 du plus r2 dv dot r1 is equal to 0. From the second equation we will have these two coefficients n1 dot r1 du n1 dot r1 du m is either n2 dot r1 or n1 dot r2. So from these two coefficients, minus n1 dot r2 du minus n2 dot r2 dv. So is kn r1 dot r2 du plus r2 dot r2 dv is equal to 0. Minus sign cancel out, n1 du plus n2 dv dot r2 plus kn r1 du plus r2 dv dot r2 is equal to 0. That is again dn dot r2 plus kn dr dot r2. So firstly we have dn dot kn dr dot r1 is equal to 0, and from the second dn plus kn dr dot r2 is equal to 0. N being the unit normal to the surface, n dot dn is equal to 0, that is dn is orthogonal to the unit normal to the surface, that is dn is tangential to the surface. Also dn dr is also tangential to the surface. Scalar linear combination of these two vectors will also lie in the tangent plane. As r1 and r2 also lies in the tangent plane, these can't be orthogonal. So the vector dn plus kn dr must be a 0 vector. That can be written as dn is directly proportional to dr, or in some of other terms as mentioned in this statement. Thank you.